Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can find your account number at BMO Harris Bank. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different and even in just by listening. So before starting, make sure that you have your BMO account or debit card nearby. This will help you access your account information for transactions or banking tasks. So first you will have to log into your BMO Harris Bank account. So you do have to make sure that you have your account already. And what you will do is basically after logging in is select the account that you would want to view. Then you will click account details or view account information, and then you will look for your account number, and it will typically be displayed alongside your routing or transit number. And finally, you will just have to note it down carefully for your records and avoid sharing it publicly. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.